Wait. Don't ignore those yellow leaves. They might be your plant's silent cry for help. But relax. Not every yellow leaf means trouble. If just 1 or 2 leaves turn yellow, it's totally fine. They're old leaves giving their energy to new growth. That's just nature doing its job. But if several leaves are turning yellow and drying up, something's wrong. Most of the time, it's a watering issue. If the leaves are dry and crispy, your plant is thirsty. If they're soft and mushy, that's too much water. And if watering seems right, but leaves still look weak, then check the basics. Your soil might be poor. The pot might be too small. Or the drainage might be blocked. Another big reason is temperature stress. Most houseplants come from warm tropical regions. So when they feel cold air, they freak out. Their leaves turn yellow and fall off. Just like what happens with a ficus when it's too cold. Light is the fuel for your plant's life. Without enough light, it can't breathe or grow properly. Even if you water and feed it right, it will still struggle. Sometimes, moving it just 1 meter closer to the window makes a big difference. Every leaf needs a little sunshine to stay green and happy. Oh, and I made a full video about the power of light. Make sure to watch that one next, so you'll understand how light can totally change your plant's health. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a like. Share it with your plant-loving friends. And don't forget to subscribe, because I'll share 3 more reasons for yellow leaves in the next video. And tell me in the comments, have your plant's leaves ever turned yellow? What did you do about it? May your plants stay green, your home stay peaceful, and your heart full of life.